Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete entire Google search history. You can delete your entire Google search history from your Google account. Firstly, open any of the web browser you prefer. And firstly, you need to open to your Google web browser. And after that, in the top right corner, there's this three dot icon. Click over here. And after that, over here, you can find this history icon. Simply select to this history. And beside it, you need to select to this open history page. And after that, in the left hand side, there's this icon. Simply click onto this delete browsing data. From here, you need to select for this all time in order to delete the entire Google search history and select delete data. And that is it. This is how you can delete the entire search history of the Google. And this deletes history stored in Chrome on that device and synced Chrome history if you signed it with sync enabled. And it does not necessarily delete all the activity stored in your Google account. And that is it. This is how you can delete the entire search Google history. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.